I'm going to show you the best auto-tune that you have to get. Even if you don't have money to invest into expensive auto-tunes, you can actually use these two VSTs, and we're going to do that right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosta once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribe. Alright guys, we are in Cubase now, and I'm going to show you the best auto-tune that you can actually use. No need for you to invest into expensive auto-tunes if you don't have money. Alright, you can actually get these ones for the meantime. Alright, so now this is the simple mix that I've done. If you don't know how to use the compressor, you can see there's one compressor here, another compressor, another compressor. How did we do this? If you want to know how to use the compressor as a beginner, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. The link to will be in the description box, so go and watch that after watching this video. I'm going to play this for you, then I'm going to show you the best auto-tune that you can actually use right now, even if you don't have money to invest into big auto-tunes. Looping this section.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this. Oh. But it don't be firewood. I swear, say you be my one only. Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this. Oh. But it don't be firewood. I swear, say you be my one only.
Alright, so I'm going to introduce the very first auto-tune. Okay, so the first auto-tune on my list is Auto-Tune 8.1. This is one of my favorite auto-tune from Antares. Alright, so if you don't know how to use the auto-tune, I have a full video that I take you through step by step. Now with this auto-tune, you can actually control the routine speed as usual. This is a knob on every auto-tune. Then you can also play with the correction style. Alright, so let's exaggerate things so that you can see why I love these two auto-tunes. If you don't know how to get the key, watch the video that will pop up on the screen. The link to will be in the description box. Let's look at this one.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this. Oh. But it don't be firewood. I swear, say you be my one only. Baby,
and I'm gonna exaggerate this knob. Alright, the correction style. Let's.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this. Oh. But it don't be firewood. I swear, say.
So watch here. As you can see, the more we increase the correction style, the less the auto-tune affects the vocals. Okay, so if you want it to pitch the vocals well, then you're gonna drag it all the way back to classic. Let's tune get into mono, then it will be dry. All right, the auto-tune will not be wet on the vocals. So this is why I love this auto-tune. You can actually play with this correction style.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this. Oh. But it don't be firewood.
And you can see the next knob that I like is the humanize. It's simple. Sometimes we don't want the artist to sound robotic, so we use the humanize to correct that. Alright, we want them to sound natural as human beings. You can actually play with this one. I've taught you everything in that video. Go and watch the video that will pop up on the screen, how to use auto-tune, how to get the right key. Alright, now another knob that I like about this one is the natural vibrator over here. Let's exaggerate things and see.
I swear, say you be my one only. Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this. Oh. But it don't be fire.
So you can actually add vibrator to your mix if you want. All right, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use, or let me give it a little bit. Now the next knob that I like about this auto-tune is the transpose. You can actually play with the transpose, the throat length, and the scale detune. Let's start with the scale detune, and you're gonna hear the effect.
Firewood, I swear say you be my only. Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby, get.
You hear the effect? You're gonna reset everything. Just hold Control on the keyboard and click on any part of this knob, and it's gonna reset it for you. Boom. Now the next thing is the transpose. Let's see.
Don't do me like this, so but they don't be firewood. I swear say you be my only. Baby, why you do me this?
So if you are mixing rap, or you are doing any mixing and you wanna create stylish in your vocals, okay, you can transpose this one. Let's look at this one.
Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only.
All right, this is super simple. Then you can also play with the throat length. But before you play with the throat length, you have to on this. All right, you have to check mark this one.
They don't do me like this, so but they don't be firewood. I swear say you be my one only. Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melody. I can't feel the vibe only.
Crazy. So you can actually do a lot with this auto-tune, and you can also play with the pitch amount, the amplitude, the format amount. All right, then you can even view the notes, remove some of them if you don't want. If you want to know much about this, subscribe to this channel and I will come back and show you. Now the last thing I like about this auto-tune is the low latency. If your CPU is very low, you can actually check this one and it will manage it for you.
Be like this, so but they don't be firewood. I swear say you be my only. Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby, girl, don't do me like this, so.
It's super simple. Now I'm gonna off this one. Then the next auto-tune that I like is Auto-Tune 5. This is another auto-tune that, bro, it is simple to use. From Antares again. All right, so over here you can also choose your keys here. The scale, let me choose the scale for the song, then the key, then the routine speed is here.
But they don't be firewood. I swear say you be my only. Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melody.
Then let me change this one to low.
I can't feel the vibe only. Baby, girl, don't do me like this, so but they don't be firewood. I swear say you be my.
So you can see this one too. You can play with the natural vibrator, the scale, all right, the humanize. Then it is easy to use. This one is easy. If you're a beginner, you can actually get this one. All right, so this auto-tune comes with the pitch amount here, the amplitude the same. As you can see, the first one was advanced version of this one. All right, this one, this is an advanced version of this one. You can see. All right, so if you're a beginner and you are aiming for auto-tunes, you can actually get this one, and this can take your mixing to the next level. But how can you actually use auto-tune properly, know the right key? Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Guys, this is super simple. Without wasting much of your time, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.